guys, today we are working with Luisa. They sent me over 3 pieces. This is their packaging. It is very earth friendly and recyclable. The jewelry comes in this cute little packaging. It varies in size and color, and I just love them because you're able to keep your jewelry and store them and keep them safe. The first piece that I got is the paisley ring. It is a cute, dainty, and classy ring. I just love it. It has a cubic zirconia stone on it, and it's just so classy. I love it. This is the gold bold ring, I believe. I'll leave the information below just to be sure. But this is definitely a statement piece. And here is the Taurus necklace. Shout out to all my Tauruses. Taurus season is approaching. Hey. So I worked with this company before, so I had this paisley necklace. So I'm glad they sent this paisley ring. It matches perfectly, and it is just so classy. Just look at it. This gold ring goes perfect with these earrings. If you've seen my last Ana Luisa video, you saw these earrings, and this is the perfect match. Just look. All the necklaces come with these 3 clasps, which makes it perfect for layering your necklaces. As you can see here, Ana Luisa has very many designs and styles that will fit each and every person. Mother's Day is approaching, so what better way to show a token of your love by purchasing a gift for your mother. They are having a Mother's Day sale, which will be buy one, get one 40% off. I have a discount code link that you can see down below, and just click it and you'll be one step closer to making your mom's day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making my mom's day, making her over, getting her all beautified, and yeah, let's get into the video.
To work late today. I might sign back on later. He's asleep.
What?
Like covered up, gone. I didn't know he was gonna do it all. I mean, go take a bath.
This is the final look. My mother looks so gorgeous. Don't forget to check the description box down below so you can purchase a gift to make your Mother's Day. And I'll see you guys in my next